All right, guys, we are going to put on the dome light. Get this one. Going to replace that backlight. Yeah, look at that. And I wanted to show you what it looks like at night. Right, so that little light right there. Like I was going to break it. So there it is. It is out. So now I'm going to use the prep pad and throw this bad boy in. So I just wanted to add some more 3M tape. It only had these two. And, you know, I'm going to add more just because safety first. All right, we're almost there. All right, let's get it in. As you can see, it's brighter. I know I'm right under the light, but holy moly. You know what's cool? It's just touch. That's so sick. Maybe an upgrade in there. I did get the LED tail lights. I was going to go aftermarket lights, but I'm just going to keep these. Nothing wrong with them. I'll get the LEDs for both. I got the reverse. I'm going to get the brake, and then I'm going to tint this myself just to black it out, murder it out, so it can go with the rest of the vehicle. But dude, look how big of a difference that is. I mean, look at this. Crazy. Of course, I'll keep this just in case. And these are LED. So, cool. Thanks for watching.